What is going on, guys, and welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video I'm going to be destroying my fidget spinner. Let's go. This one is for all my friends and family. This is to all the fidget spinner clickbait YouTubers. Bads. Bags.
Ready or not? Ready or not?
Okay guys, so there you go. I destroyed my £5 fidget spinner for a video. I don't know if you can tell, but like two of the flipping things have come off. It's so scratched. Do you understand? It's not focusing, but it's so scratched. But anyways guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then make sure to slap that like button. If we can shoot for 80 likes, I know we can do it. We're gonna do it. 80 likes would be so much appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Rah. Goodbye.